Good morning, all. We are going to start doing a new question, new day, new question. We'll have two more questions to do. Then we will start a new SAC, right? Question 6. Have a look at question 6. It's a pretty straightforward question according to what I think. A synthesis experiment. Yes, we are. What are we synthesizing here? We are synthesizing ester with a carboxylic acid and an excess. Okay, you've been given the amount of carboxylic acid, so that's going to be our limiting excess amount of alcohol in the presence of a catalyst. You know what the catalyst is, which is sulfuric acid. The mass of the ester is given to you 130. The produce was 5.32 grams. So the ester that was produced was 5.32 grams. Okay, now part A, draw a structural formula of the ester. It is very, very simple. When you want to draw the ester, start with the ester functional group. So see the lonely oxygen. Always remember, lonely oxygen drinks alone. In other words, what I'm trying to say is that oxygen belongs to the alcohol the ester is made up of. So alcohol is propanol. So we need 3 carbon here. We need 3 carbon, then let's put the hydrogen, right? Okay, we are doing that. We are doing this. Okay, this is popping up. I don't like this taskbar popping up. Taskbar. Okay, then the carboxylic acid is a propanoic acid as well. So we need 2 more carbon because that is, yeah. All right, this is what? This is propyl propanoate. Okay, propyl propanoate. That's done. Okay, and do we have to name it? Do we have to name it? No, we don't have to name it. Propyl propanoate. Oh no, I made a mistake. It's not propyl propanoate. Oh my god, I made a mistake. It is not propyl propanoate, it's propyl butanoate. Man, that was a mistake. That's a big mistake. Propyl butanoate. Okay, that's done. Then calculate the atom economy of this reaction. Now, how do you find the percentage atom economy? You know this percentage atom economy is going to be equal to molar mass of the desired product over the molar mass of the reactant. Okay, so in this case, what's the molar mass of the desired product, which is our ester? Apparently, it is 130. Then what's the molar mass of the reactant? What are the reactant? We need to add those together, don't we? We need to add those together. It is going to, add those together means these molar masses, because it's 1-to-1 reaction. 1 moles of, you need to add the molar mass of those 2 together, which is 148 times 100. That will give you 87.8%. Simple atom economy. All right, why there is a atom economy less than 100%? Yeah, anyone of you can tell me why atom economy is less than 100%? Because there is a byproduct here. Water is a waste or a byproduct. That is why atom economy is less than 100%, right? Okay, calculate the percentage yield. Okay, percentage yield is what? Percentage yield is, in order to find the percentage yield, you need to know the actual yield. Which is what? 5.32. Oh, we need to find the theoretical yield. Theoretical yield. I forgot to find the theoretical yield. Okay, in order to find the theoretical yield, firstly, you need to write a chemical reaction. Okay, I should have done that in hindsight. Okay, what's a chemical reaction? You have to write this. This is butanoic acid. This is butanoic acid plus propanol. Okay, the butanoic acid plus propanol. Okay, propanol will make what? Propyl propanoate. Propyl butanoate. Propyl butanoate plus water, right? Plus water. Propyl butanoate plus water. Now in this case, what do you need to do? We need to, what's our excess reagent? Methanol? No, I should say what's our limiting reagent. Limiting is the carboxylic acid. So you need to find out the amount of the limiting, number of moles of the limiting. Therefore, number of moles of the butanoic acid. Find that out because number of moles of the ester will depend on the number of moles of the limiting. Is that clear? All right. Is that clear? Okay. Which is going to be equal to what? It is going to be equal to. All right. Let me get the calculator. That's the calculator. Which is 4.50 divided by 88.88 is the molar mass, which is going to be 0.0511 moles. That's the moles of the butanoic acid. Therefore, number of moles of the ester is going to be the same. 1 to 1 is the ratio, which is 0.0551 moles. If you know the number of moles of the ester, you can find out the mass of the ester. Mass of the ester is going to be equal to 0.0511 times the molar mass, which is 130, which is going to be 6.65 grams. Now everything is simple. Therefore, percentage yield is equal to percentage yield equal to 5.32 divided this bar is the stupid bar. 6.65 times 100 will give you that, which is going to be equal to 80%. 80%. That is done. Simple question. How much time did we do? We didn't do too much time, did we? Did you do too much time on that? No. All right, I'll see you with the last question. Then we are done and dusted.